I'm a high school student from Chinese Senior High School, and today I just wanna show that how to apply Lego or something daily items on the NDT inspection. But first of all, I have to tell everyone in here that I think everyone sitting here has more profession on NDT than me. Like like we applicate EMATs this time, I think Robert knows more than I do, don't you?
Yes, of course.
So, okay, and let me do a little bit self-introduction first. Yeah, I'm in a Chinese Senior High School, which is famous for its Lego robots team, and I'm the national representative, and I represent Taiwan to go to the World Lego Robot Competition in 2023 and 2024. And our school won 3 titles in a row already from 2022. And last year is me, I won the world title. Yeah. And as for now, because Kaohsiung, I'm from Kaohsiung, it is struck by typhoon, and now all of my team members are cleaning the ruins from the roof, and only me that I'm standing here without cleaning. So I think I have to do better on my presentation because I'm not doing the cleaning stuff.
Yes,
Yeah.
please.
Okay, so next. So I'm from Kaohsiung, which is a city that has a lot of petrochemical raw material storage tanks or petrochemical transport pipes. And it is important for us or for the inspectors to check where has the corrosion of the pipes or the storage tank's bottom plate, because a gas leak will cause a lot of troubles like explosion or pollution. So the inspector has to find the corrosion out to ensure the safetiness of the city, and to call maybe the factory manager to repair it. And the corrosion will take place in several places, like take the storage tanks for example, is areas that bear heavy forces, like the corner of the storage tanks. And also some large storage tanks have a tilt, and down at the stilt bottom it's very easy to corrode it because it also contains heavy forces. But in those places, we will use the quantitative electromagnetic ultrasonic transducer to inspect it, which is also known as the QEUT transducer. Yeah. And this is what Robert likes it very much, don't you? Yeah. So, and they will use this to inspect those places. And this is how they inspect this. Like first of all, they need to find the stilt and to measure the directions and the routes and draw the lines where the inspectors will use the transducer to scan it. And then they need to put some iron strips so that you can transduce the electromagnetic ultrasonic signal, the EMAT. Yeah. And then they will put some lubricant something, like so that you can transport the EMAT. And then after this, they're going to use a transducer to scan it with another inspector can read a signal from the monitor, and then they can find where it has corrosion, where it has not from the transducer's monitor, and then they're gonna record this and then send it to the storage tanks of the manager of storage tanks to say it has corrosion, do some repairment or something like that. Yeah, however, they need, as I mentioned, that the inspectors need to use hands to push the transducer to do the inspection. But the stability cannot be as more stable as the robot does. The robot is more stable than human hands because when your speed is not stable, the signals can be like the signals will be deleted sometimes, or also we will jump to another places, so that to enhance the stability and mitigate errors, we developed this EMAT automatic scanning vehicles, and we use Lego robots and the laser engraving technology to develop that car, the automatic scanning vehicles. It's over here, and this is all made by Lego stuff. And when it comes to Lego, I think most people came up with like that stuff, like the castle or some models. Like recently, I bought a Formula One McLaren 60, the Lego models. Yeah, but Lego not just only like this. So next, I'm gonna show you a video about the Lego robots. Yes, and this is a game of the Lego robots I participated. And these robots will imitate the food delivery services. They have to send the golf to the specific paper boxes. And this is in the 2024 I participated in. And see, there's a small batteries that is pedestrian. We cannot touch it. And so this Lego robots, they have a lot of function. You can throw the balls, you can take the ball away, and you can follow the lines. Yeah, so Lego robots actually can do a lot of things. Lego robots can also be imitated as a small remote control cars. Like recently, they are sell the Lamborghini sports car with Lego, and it can also be remote controlled. Yeah, and my car is be composed of three main parts as the chassis. This is a EV3 Lego Mindstorm. It's a Lego robot, the third generation of the Lego robot, and that's what my profession is. And after recoding and add some sensor, it can be a remote control car, and we utilize it on the take button place scanning. And this is the chassis of my car, as you can see here. This is a color sensor. This is a color sensor. It can detect the floor's color. Like the inspectors are going to do some inspections. At the terminal goal, they can take the different colors tape, and our automatic scan vehicles will just stop at there. And then this is a motor of the chassis, and it also has similar to encoder its function. It can also I can type the code, say, hey, go 1 meter, and then it can stop at the one after it goes 1 meter, it will stop. And as for the outer shield, we use the optic board, and then we use the laser engraving technology to cut it. And this is a design graph of the laser engraving. I used AutoCAD, the application, to design it. And then this is a whole EMAT automatic scanning vehicles. And then as here you can see there's eyes, and that's for the infrared light sensor. It can not only use to detect the distance between the wall, it can also use our remote control to control it, and that's our latest function. We can use the remote control to control it go forward and backward with a stable speed, which can also reduce the need of manpower. And now let's see a videos that the inspectors do the inspection without using our automatic scanning vehicles and use our automatic scanning vehicles. So this is before using our automatic scanning vehicles. The inspector's gonna use hand to push the transducer. Like this is the large storage tanks. All around those fields we have to do the same work. It will cause like it's very tired for inspectors to do the work. And sometimes they will lead to some small errors so that the signals can be used. And this is after we use our automatic scanning vehicles. Like we just push the start button and it can go by itself. And at the terminal go, we have the black tape over there. And all the inspectors need to do is to just record the signals. And my conclusion is that, as for me, I'm not a profession and an DT because my profession is as a Lego robot. But I'm here just to share that now our daily life, the items in daily life can be utilized different ways. Like the Lego robots can be utilized on the EMS scanning. So I hope that after this session, more and more different technology that can be utilized in different ways. Like maybe next time I can see some underwater ships can be utilized on the underlying cable scanning. Maybe, I don't know. Yeah, okay, and this is the end of my presentation, and I hope you like my presentation. Thank you, everyone. And
Thank you.